Welcome friends. Today we are going to see about the key points of active learning methodology. So last class, the previous video we saw what is the background of active learning methodology. Now we are going to see how this active learning methodology in taking place inside the class with the timing. So the first part is introduction method, that is SQ4 format. Here we are using introduction, that is large group for 10 minutes by the teacher, then survey, that is browsing by individual, identifying questions for individual, discussion of the question in large group, then read for 20 minutes by the students in a group, then recite. For that the students are individually they are doing mind map and memorize, then going for summary, discussion of mind map and summary. This is done in the small group for 20 minutes. After that the consultation and reinforcement, review and reflect, all these things takes the last 30 minutes. So when we are going to take a class in active learning methodology, that timing should be 90 minutes. So it is not just a 40 minutes class, it is a 90 minutes class. So that you have to always keep in mind. That means when you are going to the conventional classroom, the two periods combine together to take a effective active learning methodology. So we'll see in detail. Introduction, it is done by the teacher in a class, last group as a whole class they are doing. Then reading, it will be done by the individual, that students are doing individually, read the concept, then making underline. After that mind map and summary they are doing. After that they go for discussion in a small group, consultation in small group, and large group also they are doing. So introduction, it is a teacher point of view. So how they introduce the lesson? By means of story, linking prior knowledge, showing experiment, charts, pictures, whatever the things available for relevant to the subject, teacher can use any method to introduce the lesson in the classroom. Reading, it is done by the students. They underline the keywords, identify the words those whose meaning is not known, that is new words and difficult words. They clarify the meaning using dictionary, ask a peer. After that they are asking the teacher. Teacher can make list of new words with the meaning if dictionary is not available. So always the reading part is very vital, where there is a chance to find new words and difficult words. So the vocabulary and pronunciation and usage, everything you can done in the reading part itself. Mind map, is they are doing in a shared mode of small group or individual they are doing. In this video we are going to see how we construct a mind map. Then summarize, they summarize and consolidate all these things. They'll give the viewpoint based on the mind map. So based on the mind map, students are presenting their mind map with the consultation key points. After that it will be done in the small group. After that in the large group also the students are doing. Assessment, it by means of quizzes, filling the blank, short answers, diagram, label the parts, tabulation, anything they can use. By means of assignment, there will be a assignment by self assessment, same thing, peer assessment also they can do. Then we can give some writing exercise for various kinds. So SQ4 method, mostly science is following this SQ4 method for survey, question, reading, recite and review and reflect. These are the major concept we are doing. Based on the lesson also it will vary. Next we are going to see mind map. You see the mind map, you can see what is the role of mind map. Mind map is done by the students. They are finding the key points, they are reading all the points from the book, then they can organize the information in the form of word puzzle or word map. Just like a spider web, they can create their own design, their own understanding. They make all the things in consolidated format. They write all the things in the form of diagrams with the words. So it's just like a word web, like that they are doing the mind map. So each and every class the students are doing mind map with their own creativity. So it always giving a chance of creation and innovation. The linkages, everything they can understand with the help of mind map. This mind map points they can consolidate, they can write the statements, they can present in the class. So this is the thing, the group. the students are presenting their mind map either using the note or else they can use blackboard and chart. They are presenting their mind map with all the points. If the points are missing, the students or remaining students peer group, the teacher can validate, they can enforce the points in the mind map and consultation. Next is anchoring of discussion. Here there is a chance of participation from all the students. When the students are presenting the mind map, remaining peer group students, they can hands up their and tell their views. There is a chance of democratic discussion. They can clarify. This clarification done by the peer group or else by the teacher. So the summarizing, it is a two principle. One is condensation and organizing. So it is done by means of words, pictures, tables, everything. They can use any techniques to make everything in the form of summarizing technique. I hope this will be useful for you. If you have any doubts regarding this active learning methodology, for this active learning methodology we are using Tiger method in Max. That also we will see in the next classes. Thank you.